now in lesson number 14. So, as I told you in my previous lesson, we will discuss or review the alphabet in next lesson. Okay, so we will start in letter A. Okay, letter A is represented by a big circle. Letter E is a tiny circle. Okay, right S is represented by a short downward curve. Then F, longer downward form. Then for letter V, much longer than the letter F. Okay. Next, for left S is a short downward curve, backward. Then letter P, longer. Then letter B, much longer. So small, medium, and large. Okay. Next, letter N is a short forward straight line. Letter M, longer forward straight line. Letter T, short upward straight line. Then letter D, longer upward straight line. And then for letter O, it is written as small deep hook. Yan. Then letter R, longer. Then letter L, much longer. Okay. So again, please observe the different sizes. Next, the combination of F and R. Okay, letter F is like this. F and then R. For letter F and L, F and L. For P and L, this is P, L. B and R, B, R. B and L, B, L. Okay. Next, what is the stroke for the sound of H and word ending in ing? So, it is represented by a dot. Okay. Next, long I. It is written as broken I, like this, for long I. Okay, next. Brief forms. We are now in brief forms. So, brief forms, that is the repeating word in our daily communication and in writing. So, we must memorize the brief forms because that is fixed already. Okay, let's say I. So, I in brief forms is represented by a big circle. So, please do not confuse between the letter A and then the letter I and then the long I. Because, as I said, I in brief forms is represented by a big circle. And letter A is represented by a big circle also. But then that is for alphabet. And I am telling you now is the brief forms. Brief forms is I in brief forms is represented by a big circle. Okay. So next is is represented by a short forward straight line. Sound of M only. Mr., M, and R. Next, it, at, is represented by letter T. R, our, is letter R. Okay? Next, have is represented by letter V. H, A, E is omitted. Letter V only. You write the letter V from the word have in brief forms. Okay, will and well is represented by L. A and an is represented by a dat. Again, do not confuse from a and an as a dat and then the sound of H and ending in ing is also a dat because that is belong to a word. And I and an is belong to a sentence. Okay. Next, in and not is represented by letter N. Okay. So, that's the end of our lesson number 14. Hope you understand. And please comment at the bottom kung you have any question or suggestion so that I will adjust my lesson and my discussion. So, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.